Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to Burg in Darlington to try out their food. So let's go inside and let's take a look and get some food. Menu here guys. So there's the menu. We got a menu here as well. Got plenty of drinks to choose from as well. Burg. We've got plenty of seating areas here as well. Fantastic. This is called West Auckland Road, guys. So Burg is on West Auckland Road. Here we are. We got our food here. Look at this. There's the food. So let's go inside the car and take a look and taste this food. Right then guys, so here we are. We've got our Burg food. Look at this. Right, so what I've got for myself is Texas barbecue tenders. Right, what I'm going to do is basically take off the lid. Here we are guys. Wow, look at that. Fantastic. So you get 4 pieces of tenders in there. Look at this. Wow. Right, let's give this a taste. Wow, that was fantastic. Really like that. Plenty of flavours coming out of that. And look at the chicken inside that. It's well cooked. Wow, really nice. And it's obviously freshly made as well, so it's beautiful. Wow, really nice. Right, the chicken tenders was fantastic. Now let's move on to these fries. For these, we got some nice masala chips there. Wow, they look so good. Right, let's give this a taste. Wow, look at these. Masala on top of them chips. Nice potato content as well. Spot on, very nice. And it's nice and warm as well. Very delicious. We also got a tub of garlic sauce as well. And we got nice couple of drinks there. We got Coke and we've got Iron Brew. What I'm going to do basically is try this garlic sauce with the chips. Here we are guys, look at this. There's the garlic sauce. Right, here we go guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Nice garlic. It's very nice garlic, that. Spot on. Let's wash it down with a nice tin of cold Coke. Wow, nice, so good. Nice and cold. You always need a can of Coke with your fast food. Guys, look at this. What else I've got here is I got myself doner loaded fries. Look at this. That looks unreal. Now, first of all, we've got some doner meat here. Look at that. This doner meat looks absolutely fresh. And this is a chicken tikka doner kebab. Wow, you can tell that is freshly made. Right, let's give this a taste. Like, first of all, let's look at the doner there. Look, it's fantastic. Quality. Very nice. You can taste lots of flavours coming out of that doner kebab. You can taste the masala as well, which is fantastic. This is the first time I've tried this doner kebab, a chicken tikka doner kebab, and I'm impressed. Right, let's look at the cheese chips again. Nice, very nice. With this as well, you get cheese in that, as is a loaded fries with it. So I'm impressed with this. Very nice. Right then guys, so I've just finished my meal there, and I must say this meal was absolutely fantastic. It was worth of it. I thought to myself, you know what, I want to come and try Burg in Darlington because I've seen some reviews about it, and I also thought the reviews look good, and I thought to myself, you know what, let's drive down to Darlington and have a look at this place. So I recommend you guys coming to Darlington and trying out Burg because it's one of the fantastic food takeaways here in Darlington. They do good quality of food. The service has been fantastic as well. Burg is just right next door to Godfather's Pizza Shop. Parking obviously might not be an issue, depends what time you come. But if there's a parking issue, you can just park here on the side of the street here and go for it. It's fantastic. Burg has just recently opened anyway, about a few months ago. But it's a really good place to come and try. The food is fantastic. I would recommend you guys come in.